Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, we're going to continue with our Learn Linux from Scratch series and we're going to be talking about globbing in Linux. Globbing is a technique a Linux shell uses to match a search pattern by using special characters called wildcards. So wildcards are used to match a search pattern. So for example, if I have 7 files that ends with .log, I can decide to delete all 7 files at the same time. And if I also need to copy all 7 files at the same time to another location, I can do that with the use of wildcards. So wildcards are important. They make you work in a smarter and intelligent way. And examples of wildcards or the wildcards we have in Linux, we have asterisk, we have question mark, we have square bracket, we have exclamation, we have curly brackets, we have some other wildcards, but these are the important ones we'll be talking about in this subject matter. And we're going to start with asterisk. So asterisk is used to match all character. For example, if I go to this module directory and I list the content in this directory, you can see that I have a lot of content here. So if I want to list all files or directories that start with Intel, I can do that by using the asterisk wildcard. Don't forget that the asterisk wildcard is used to match all character. So for me to match all characters that start with Intel, I'm going to use the asterisk wildcard after Intel. So this means that I want to list all the content in this directory that starts with Intel. So you can see all the content. So we have directories and files. So it's looking a little bit scattered. So to list all the directories that starts with Intel, I can just use the D option. So we can see now that we can see the Intel Hidu and this other one, Intel RAV Perf. So these are all the directories that starts with Intel in this /sys/module directory. So I've been able to match all characters that start with Intel. To list all directories that ends with Intel, so you're just going to put the asterisk at the beginning of the file. So this means that you want to list all the directories that ends with Intel. So you can see the directories that ends with Intel. To list or filter all the directories that contain Intel in them, you just use the command, um, this same command, then you put Intel in the middle of the asterisk wildcards. Then this will give you all the directories that contain Intel in them. To copy the same directories that contain Intel to /tmp, for example, you just use the copy command, copy to /tmp. Oh, okay, it's a directory, so you use the option R command. So you go to tmp, you can see these files in tmp. So for example, again, to delete the same files, you just use um, the delete command, which is remove -rf Intel from tmp. And when you do ls, you see that you cannot find the same directories anymore. So the wildcard can be used against any command in Linux to match a search pattern, and we've seen that using the asterisk wildcard. So in the next lesson, we'll look at other wildcards. All right. Thank you for watching, and please you can click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.